privilege for us to have Air Chief Marshal S. Krishnaswamy, AVSM, PVSM, Vayu Sena Medal, Bar and ADC at Reha Auto Tech Bosch Car Service Center today. Sir, we feel thankful for you having reposed faith in us by giving your car, Volkswagen Jetta, for servicing here. And you came a couple of days back. Today your car is ready for handing over after servicing. Now, may I request you to tell us how you feel about us and the workshop, sir?
That's what I started saying. So it's really nice to see as a venture that you've started off on this, and you have all the background from the army. I'm from the Air Force. It's all the same at the end of the day. Is that we have very strong background. One is in the background is it's stamped of a quality of you have one is very, as far as the business methods are concerned, very immaculate. And that's where we lack possibly sometimes in business world. And the other is the quality conscious, that you do whatever the quality focused, support services. The third part of it, as I was talking about a bit earlier, is the technology. It keeps changing. And today is quite a race to keep up with what the changes are. And possibly you're entering at the right time, and I wish you all the very best. I'm sure you'll do very well.
Thank you.
It's keeping up with the system and the keeping up with the, these days they advertise so much of a quality of workshop, what facilities you have, and much of the semi-automated systems and so on. So also diagnosis. I mean, with these cars nowadays, the problem is the diagnosis. We gone are the days of mechanics, and you ask him what is to be done, but you all use the diagnostic tool, and that's become very common now. So that's a part of the so-called gearing up in your engineering capabilities. And wish you all the very best.
Thank you very much, sir.
So I've entered here with the Volkswagen, and I have another Toyota. I'm sure I'll
definitely take care of that also, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.